Hello there, my good people. I just wanted to stop on by my channel to let you know about a new added addition that I received today. And let's see what we have here. Let's see. I wanted to add like a, no, I should have had to use a knife. I wanted to, let me just see, this is it. This is my iOS, my wireless mouse, and it's gonna make it a little easy for when I'm really busy. And sometimes it's like, you know, on my MacBook Pro, even though it has a nice big, it's a nice big surface and you can maneuver and everything, but sometimes it gets a little too sensitive. And so what I did was I bought the wireless mouse. It's rechargeable, and it says rechargeable Bluetooth, and it's for the MacBook, which is, I have the MacBook Pro, and it can be for Windows. So it can be used on other laptops as well, but it comes well packaged, as you see, and it's like one of those. It comes with you see the mouse, nice slick design, which I wanted, and it's all wrapped up. Then it comes with so you can be able to charge it up. And so what we're going to do is get it so make sure that my laptop, and like I said, I have the MacBook Pro, so I'm just going to make sure that it does see it and get it all hooked up. So, and on the back, that's where you have like your on button. So I'm going to, let's see, it turned blue. So let's see what we're working with here. See, have that. So I'm going to see how this is going to work for me. I might have to charge it up first, but we're going to see. Was on the other is like two is on, and it is a on one way is blue, and then when you do on another way is green. So I'm gonna see what that is talking about. So let me see what's going on here. Let me go to my Bluetooth settings here, and see as I'm gonna get any action here. See, is it going to see it? I have that, make sure it's turned on. It is turned on. And like I said, it might. It would be, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna to get mine to charge up a bit. But hold up, let me see something. Let me see. Because you have the on, and then you have this Bluetooth bar. So let me, and you have to push it to make sure it's working. So let me see what we have here. Bam, that's what I was waiting for. So you turn on blue, and then there's a little push button here, and that will send a signal to the laptop, so you can be able to connect it. And all it says is BT3, then O mouse. So it's letting me know letting me know it has been connected. And as you can see, you see how it has everything moving around. So we are good to go in action. That's what I wanted to let you all know. So definitely give this a try. Like I said, it is for Windows, Mac OS, and Android. So it works with different, it's universal. It works with different laptops. I just needed it for my MacBook Pro, and it works, it's all connected. It comes with your cord, so you can be able to charge it. I don't know what was that all about, but it comes with all the necessary, gadgets, your cord, so you can charge it up. And like I said, you will turn it on the switches on the bottom, and you will turn it to the on. You see how it's got two ons. You will turn it to the on, and a blue light will come on, and then you will push the blue button while your laptop is on your Bluetooth setting, and it will appear, and it should read something as in BT3.0 mouse, and you're good, and it'll connect, and you're good to go. That's all, folks. Have a great day. Thank you for tuning in. You be blessed, be good, be safe out here.